Hi Scrapbooking friends, welcome back to my channel. Virginia here. I'm very excited because today I'm guest designing for the cat SHOPPE. Yay! The cat SHOPPE is a digital cat file shop on Etsy owned by Ashley Horton. Thank you very much Ashley for having me guest designing. I'm very happy. And today I'm going to create a layout, and I'm starting from this beautiful cat file which is called Home from Christmas. It is composed by a few rows of houses. The full cat file is, I believe, 5 rows of houses, but I cut only 2 rows because I didn't want it to fill completely my page. And I cut it on 2 different pattern paper. One is a pattern paper from the Sugar Plum collection by My Mind's High. It's an old collection. And the other one is shimmery golden cardstock. And I'm gluing one on top of the other, but it's slightly shifted so that the golden one forms a sort of shadow, so gives dimension to the cat file, to these beautiful houses. So this is my one of my focal points, the focal points of my layout. And so the cat file now is ready. So now I can move on to work on my background. I'm using Bazzil cardstock, white cardstock. I covered it with a gesso, with a clear gesso, so that is different, and I can make some mixed media. I'm using Shimmerz paints. These are Inklingz, 4 shades. The blue one is called Blue My Mind. Then I'm going to use Honey to List, Bahama Mama, and Mano 49. I'm basically painting or spreading the color with a flat brush, and I'm creating a sort of large stripes on the background, stripes of color. This is very easy, nothing very fancy. But I really love this color, in particular this green is awesome, and the shimmer of these paints. As you can see, in the blue part, there's a part on top which is a bit darker. That's because probably I didn't spread very correctly the clear gesso. In that area probably there was not enough gesso, so the paint is soaked through, and that's what happened. That's why it's very important to prep your paper. Also because you can do what I'm doing here, spraying water directly on the paper and move the paints. For this golden color, as you see, I'm not really liking the effect because it's not spreading correctly and in a sort of even way. So I'm living with it for the moment, but you will see what I'm going to do with it. Now, so I'm going to place my cat file there in the top part of the background, and I'm using these beautiful treat bags. These were included in the Snow and Cocoa collection by Create Paper, and there's this bag in particular which has all these beautiful colorful trees. So I fussy cut a few of them, and I want to set them all around, to spread them on the back and all around these beautiful houses. So I'm creating a sort of scene, we could say. These are the pictures that I'm going to use. I printed them in different sizes because I was not sure which one I wanted to use, which size. And I'm also going to use as a title this other beautiful cat file from the cat SHOPPE, the Holy Jolly. And again, I was not still sure about the size, and I tried the various options. But now I'm going to, first of all, glue down the houses, the cat file, and also the trees. As you can see, I'm using adhesive foam because I want to raise the cat file. I want these houses to have some shadows and so look really 3-dimensional. And now you see me, I'm putting a lot of glues, and I'm going to glue down the cat file. Here it is. I'm using a T-ruler as a reference to glue them down in a straight fashion. I don't want it too crooked, let's say. Now I'm moving on to glue down the trees, and I'm gluing a few of them flat directly on the paper. Then I will also erase some of them using foam squares for again to give them dimension. And this you can see I basically fussy cut all of the trees on the treat bags because well, I love them, and I really want to have a lot of these fun colorful trees on the back, on the background, let's say, and all around the houses. So I'm proceeding gluing them down, and now for the title, as you can see, I changed my mind. So I wanted it smaller because it looked too big, and also I had cut it on that red and white paper, and I had the impression that it was not really easy to read it. So I decided to cut it in a smaller size in white cardstock, and now I'm painting it with the same green Shimmerz Inklingz that I used on the background. I'm going to back it with the same pattern paper that I have used for the houses. Now I'm leaving it aside to dry. In the meanwhile, as I told you, I was not happy with this golden part, so I covered it first. I tried to cover it with white gesso. As Miss Whedon always says, if you don't like it, just cover it with gesso. So that's what I'm doing, but my gesso was a bit greedy. I don't know, probably he dried out, so it was adding this funny texture that I didn't like. So then I switched to white acrylic paint, and this was much smoother. Really, now I really like the effect. I think that is much better with this white space because he looked too busy. Now, finally, I decided to use these two pictures into slightly different pictures into different sizes, and this is my title. This is let's say the final position when I want them, and I also want to bring down not only the pattern, the same pattern of the houses, but also the trees. So I'm using the other treat bag, the same treat bag from Snow and Cocoa. To back my photographs, and so exactly as I was saying, I can bring on the bottom part to the bottom part of the layout the same patterns that I have on top. Now I have the two pictures back there. I'm not going to add more pattern paper because I think it's enough. I don't want too many patterns. And now it's time to commit and glue down the pictures. I'm going to use this form here as well because I want to raise them and also to have them the same level as the houses. So I want everything even. And I will do the same with the Holly Jolly, with the title, which will go more or less in the center below the two pictures. Here it is, going down. As you can see, I'm using little pieces of this foam. It takes some time, and here it is. Okay. Now next step is embellishing, adding some more embellishment, let's say, because it's quite busy already, but I want some embellishment. Well, I forgot, I had a few more trees, so I'm adding them. Literally, I cut all the trees and I used all of them. They are so cute and colorful. I'm putting them also in between the houses. So my scene is even more detailed. Now I pulled out some wonderful embellishment from the Sugar Plum collection by My Mind's High, and I particularly love these the flare buttons are awesome, beautiful, and I certainly want to use one of them for the Holy, but I'm going to use also a couple more of them. And these are exclusive wood veneer from the Hip Kit Club. It's they are from the December daily kit of last year. In particular, I'm pulling this beautiful tree, and I'm playing around it to find the location for the various elements. But before gluing them down, I want to create the snow effect. So I'm using white acrylic paint, a bit diluted with water. And I'm just flicking my my brush to create splashes all around. I'm being careful not to have splatters, or at least not too many on the pictures. But I got some. And then I had to clean it. Now I'm adding the wood veneers. I'll also put stars in the middle of the O of Jolly and the flares. I'm gluing everything down. And off camera, I also added some journaling. So my layout is finished. I hope you like this project. Go check the cut shop because definitely it's full of beautiful cut files for every kind of project. Thank you again, Guest Designing, for the cut shop. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I will be very happy. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.